So here it is, guys, the green banana. So we're preparing fried chicken and green banana. I started to peel some of the green bananas ready, and there showing you that's the skin that peels off. Those supposed to be peel off too. And this is what the green banana looks like. Yes, I'm gonna show you when I reach to the pot now, guys, with them. Welcome back to Self-Care Official, guys. You're my preparing some chicken. I'm cleaning it up first, guys. I'm going to prepare some fried chicken. So I'm doing the preparation at this time. Here am I using some lime juice so to cut the rawness. Yes, from the chicken. And I started to cut it up from earlier. Yes, this is the chicken in here. And this is the breast here. So stay tuned, guys, to see the result. So I'm gonna prepare fried chicken, guys, and boiled banana. Stay tuned. So guys, here I finished cut up the chicken here. I'm gonna put Maggi season on it. Yes, this is Maggi season. Yes, black pepper. And there is salt. Yes. Let me put a little more of the Maggi season. Yes. Awesome. Look at it, guys. I have garlic, I have onion, and I have sweet pepper. And here is my chicken. So I'm gonna grate all of these onto my chicken, right, guys? Yes. And there is my grater here. So I'm gonna grate all of this on the chicken here, on my delicious fried chicken. So guys, I finished grate my onion, my garlic, and my sweet pepper and my fried chicken. Yes, and these help to give my chicken flavor. So there I'm rubbing the chicken into the seasoning here. This is the flour, so to flour the chicken there with some black pepper in it, some Maggi seasoning the flour so to give the chicken its flavor, delicious taste. Yes, and then I just blend it in. Yes, blend it in, and then I was gonna dip the chicken in this one. Gonna come back to show you. We are gonna use a egg, guys, one egg, right? So there it is, guys. My egg all ready to dip my chicken in, and then to the flour. Awesome. So here am I, guys. Here am I, guys. Gonna take out my chicken. Yes. Gonna take my chicken into my head here. Yes, this is what it look like. After which, I'm gonna take it over to the flour here. Right, guys? Yes. I will come back to you to show you when I'm putting it in into the pot. Right, guys? So this is my chicken here. My chicken all seasoning. I'm going into the head. Yes. And my oil is there getting hot, and my water is there boiling for the green banana. So I'll get back to you, guys. Right? I'll get back to you. Here it is, guys, and the chicken frying, taking its time, taking its time, frying, super soak. Here, frying for the oil to soak right through the bones. Yeah, awesome. So here, I cover the pot so to help it take it time to soak to the bones. So these are the green banana, guys. Look at them. And these are the peeling skin from the toe that I peel ahead of time. This is what they looks like. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to finish up with these and then get back to you when they are in the pot. Here it is, guys. Chicken is frying, looking well, all golden, guys. Here it is, guys. Chicken is frying, all golden. Over here, we have our banana boiled in. Yes, look at it, guys. Wait for the finished product, guys. Wait for the finished product. All boiled in. Chicken and banana. Fried chicken and banana. Stay tuned for the finished product, guys. Here is the end product, guys, of our delicious fried chicken and banana, accompanied with cucumber there, with a little salt on it and black pepper. Look how delicious it is, guys. Very tasty, the chicken. Yes, so this is the end product of our delicious fried chicken here. Yes, look at it, guys. Suckling fried chicken, green banana, and cucumber, the vegetable. Delicious.